To access the air filter, open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 2 hex bolts securing the housing. Using a 10mm hex nut driver, remove the 2 hex bolts. Pull the hose off the catch to disengage it. Remove the 4 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose onto the clip. Reinstall the hex bolts. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. The hood is secured by inserting the tabs on the latch into the catch, followed by pushing the top forward.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.